It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. And it is now comeback time. Today I want to talk about the power of faith and turning a setback, your setback, into a comeback. We know that faith is a substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. Yet we need to also know that faith is not just a noun, but it is also a verb. In other words, it is a concept that denotes action. In order to turn your setbacks into comebacks, you need to have some faith, but you also must act faithfully. You might have had a setback that has knocked you to the ground, but you must have the faith to keep getting back up and go on to win. And keep this in mind, that faith is like a muscle. And the more you act in faith, the stronger you get in your faith. And the bigger the mountains are, you're able to move. So faith your way to success today, and you will win more. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com. Make sure you stay connected to me on all the social media. And remember, for sure, your best is yet to come. Share this message with everybody you know.